and we will now continue. I can speak here with the demo teasers. So we will start with our first speaker from Dolcera. Will be Nagamanoj Kumar Aguduri, who will speak about, and I open the presentation here. If you want, you can take this microphone. And he will talk about OAI in Industry 4.0 applications, AI-enabled agri-farm over 5G private networks.
Thank you. Hi again, everyone. Most of you might have seen me showcasing the demo yesterday. So for those who haven't been here yesterday, a quick introduction of Dolcera's pipeline. So we have a 3-year-old startup aimed at building private 5G networks. And coming from Industry 4.0 perspective, we wish to solve Industry 4.0 problems with private 5G in 3 simple steps. One is to reduce the cost. The 3 barriers of private cellular in Industry 4.0 have been cost, ease of deployment, and flexibility. So for bringing down the cost, it's not only important to have a lightweight stack such as OAI to start with and build only the features that are needed to Industry 4.0, avoiding all the carrier work. But it's also important to reduce the cost of setup and maintenance. So that's where the second step comes in, where we need to make private 5G as easy, or if not easier, to deploy than enterprise Wi-Fi. So, and then the third flexibility aspects is our as our previous presenter was mentioning, private networks have different challenges than carrier networks. They need to be flexible enough. One example, a good example was uplink and downlink traffic, how it changes dynamically based on applications. So given these 3 aims, we are trying to build these private 5G networks based on various RAN options. And one of our options is OAI. We use OAI for all prototyping, and we also have products in line using OAI. The demo today, we are going to showcase various applications, and one of the product line that we have been working on is AI-based video applications, especially on drones. Today, the drones have 2 problems: 1, the battery life, and 2, a low data rate video connection back to the controller. Battery life, we are in the field of battery life, but by improving the data rate, by giving the user more data rate, you're unlocking a lot of potentials. One example is that you can now stream high-definition video back to your edge, and you can do all sorts of AI and ML applications on the video, which was not possible before because the data rate wasn't supporting enough. And this is a classic example of having a very high uplink and very low downlink. So the demo today, we are going to take a farm application where this application is, imagine a drone flying on a farm, and then this farm in real time needs to decide which plant it sprays fertilizer on, it sprays pesticides on, and then which plant it shouldn't. And this is enabled by a private 5G network, and the drone capturing the video, and this high definition video going to the edge, and then this edge in real time processing this information and sending back information to the drone whether to actuate the actuator or not. So this is the overall architecture of this demo. Here you will be able to, in the demo, we are replacing the drone with a smartphone camera, where we use this camera video to analyze this grapevine leaves as an example. These grapevine leaves are different grapevine leaves. You can't tell because you're not grape experts, but the machine learning would help you distinguish what are these types. So please stop by at our demo. Thanks for this wonderful opportunity.